Hey everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and as the kids say, I got a real banger for you today. I'm going to show you how to install the new headlight guards that we have. And you saying to yourself, I've seen these before. Yes, you did. We put these on the 2023 Trek editions. They come in gloss, which is what I'm going to put here on Project 130. We also have them available in a flat. So you guys are going to want to pay attention, especially the guys that like to rush through. Really, this is not a hard install, but you need to be careful and pay attention because you're going to be drilling around the headlight. Cue the intro and we'll meet right back here. All right, this one's not a super hard install. It's more of a patience game. You can see on the back of the headlight guard, there's these little tabs. There's 4 of them. And then we're going to end up putting these pins through the tab that'll hold it to the headlight bucket. It's more a game of taking your time and doing it right. If you have any other work in the front end, if you're doing the LED lights or perhaps our hidden winch, it's a perfect time to do the guards because you'll have the easy access to the headlight buckets, pull those right out. But I know 99.9999% of you are just going to go caveman style. So we're going to go through it together. You're going to want to align the headlight guard. You'll see there is some movement and some play. You want to align so it sits in there and looks factory. Don't jam it one way or the other. It'll be ugly and you'll be mad. So take your time, and I like to start right here in this corner. I'm going to mark it. Actually, I'm going to have to step in front of the camera to get it right, but you get the idea. I'm going to mark this. I'm going to drill it, and I'll meet right back with you. All right, I've got my first one in place. I've got the pin started, so it gives me a centering point, but I'm gonna need to pull all of this back out when I drill. Oh boy, I pushed the pin in too far. But I'm gonna pop that out when I go to drill this next hole. So that's in place. I'm gonna mark over here, get that one done, set something in place, and then we'll work on the uppers. Lastly, we're going to mark the 2 holes here, pull the whole unit out, drill them, and then we'll put the clips in. Again, make sure everything is flush. This one right here is not my favorite. All right, we're at the final step, but before that, I just want to pay a little recognition to everybody that attends the Hill Country Rally event. Great event. It's down in Texas. It is at Hidden Falls, same place they had Trek in 2023. So we're going to put this sticker right about there. And then we'll move to the end. Hyperspeed. Here we go. We're going to put the headlight guard in place. We're going to start the pins. I don't push them in all the way in case I got to move something. Start with my favorite one there. Then I'm moving to this hard one right here. I'm going to get the pin started. Then, all right, get it aligned and then push up. Need some more pins. Okay, everything is in place, no problems. We're going to want to push the pin base first, right? So you want to push this portion in, get it to seat, and then we'll push in the locking portion. One more time, bring that in a little bit. Take this, that goes in first, all the way, and we'll push the locking portion. There you have it. Simple, simple, simple. I'm gonna knock this one out and then we'll wrap up this video. So there you have it. Not a bad job. Just take your time. Be extra critical careful if you're trying to caveman it on with the drill. Again, I recommend pulling out the headlight buckets. The drill bit we used was a 5/64. That way the pin still holds tight, but it'll still be able to go in. All right, I think that's all I got on this. I'll see you guys in the next one.